Have you ever wondered why cars and trucks do the things they do? That's what this Have You Ever Wondered Why series is all about. I'm Kevin with Kevin's Mobile Automotive Repair, and every week I break down common automotive questions I get asked out in the field so you understand what's normal, what's not, and when it actually matters. So let's talk about one I hear constantly. Have you ever wondered why brakes squeal even when they're new? A lot of people hear that noise and immediately think something's wrong. They assume the brakes are worn out, installed wrong, or unsafe to drive. In many cases, that squealing noise is annoying, but not dangerous. This is one of the most common questions I get after brake jobs, whether I did the work or someone else did. So let's break it down in plain English. Brakes work by friction. When you press the pedal, the brake pads clamp down on the rotors and convert motion into heat. That heat, vibration, and friction are what slow the vehicle down, and noise is often a byproduct of that process. Here's where most people get tripped up. Brake pads are made from different materials: ceramic, semi-metallic, and organic. Each one behaves differently. Ceramic pads are clean and quiet most of the time, but they can squeal under light braking. Semi-metallic pads stop extremely well, but they're more prone to noise because of the metal content. Organic pads are quieter, but they wear faster. Brake squeal is usually caused by vibration. When the pad contacts the rotor, it can vibrate at a high frequency. That vibration turns into noise, basically like a tuning fork. Even brand new brakes can do this, especially during break-in. Another big factor is heat. Brakes need to go through heat cycles to properly bed in. Until that happens, pads and rotors may not be perfectly mated, and noise can happen during that process. You'll also hear squealing from light pedal pressure, cold temperatures, or humidity. Morning squeal is extremely common and usually goes away once the brakes warm up. So squealing doesn't automatically mean worn or unsafe brakes. Now, here's the important part. Brake noise becomes a concern when it's paired with other symptoms. If the squeal turns into grinding, that's a problem. Grinding usually means the pads are worn down to the metal backing plate, and now you've got metal on metal contact. If the vehicle shakes when braking, pulls to one side, or the pedal feels soft or spongy, those are warning signs that need to be checked. You can also get squealing from improper installation, missing hardware, seized caliper pins, worn shims, or lack of brake grease where it's required. In the shop world, we call that dry hardware, and dry hardware makes noise. Brake dust buildup, rust on rotors, and glazed pads can also cause squealing. So the key takeaway is this: noise alone doesn't mean failure. Noise plus symptoms does. So if your brakes squeal occasionally but stop smoothly, don't vibrate and feel normal. That's usually just the nature of brake materials and heat. But if the noise is constant, getting worse, or paired with grinding, vibration, or poor braking performance, that's when it's time to have them checked. That's why mechanics say brakes are both simple and critical. Ignore the wrong noise, and the repair gets expensive fast. So have you ever wondered why brakes squeal even when they're new? Now you know the difference between normal brake noise and a real problem. I'm Kevin with Kevin's Mobile Automotive Repair, and this is part of my Have You Ever Wondered Why series.